Lenovo just changed laptops forever. The ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 Rollable is here. Wanna see why this is the wildest laptop of 2025? Let's roll! Welcome to GadInsider, your home for cutting-edge tech. Today we're diving into Lenovo's ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 Rollable, a laptop with a screen that literally grows. Buckle up! Unveiled at CES 2025, the ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 Rollable is the world's first laptop with a rollable OLED display. Press a button or wave your hand, and the 14-inch screen stretches to 16.7 inches, giving you 50% more space. This isn't just cool, it's a productivity game changer. Imagine editing a massive spreadsheet, coding, or stacking two apps without lugging a second monitor. The 120Hz OLED display delivers vibrant colors with 400 nits brightness and 100% DCI P3 accuracy. At just 3.7 pounds and 0.78 inches thick, it's as portable as a MacBook, but way more versatile. Under the hood, it's powered by Intel Core Ultra 7 processors, up to 32GB RAM, and a 1TB SSD. With Wi-Fi 7, Thunderbolt 4, and AI tools like Lenovo AI Now and Co-Creator, it's built for creators and pros. Plus, Lenovo's tested it for 20,000 roll cycles, so it's tough enough for daily use. This laptop is perfect for multitaskers. Think graphic designers, coders, or anyone who needs more screen space on the go. Lenovo's ThinkBook Workspace lets you pin widgets or use the extra space as a virtual monitor for presentations. It even promotes better posture with its vertical design. But heads up, it's not cheap, starting at $3,499. Tech fans on X are losing it, calling it the future of laptops. It snagged CES 2025 buzz for a reason. Want to be the first to own one? The rollable screen's a showstopper, but it's not perfect, and Windows needs better rollable support. Still, Lenovo is pushing boundaries, and early adopters are jumping in. That's the scoop on the ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 Rollable. If you're hyped, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech news.